Hello everyone, I'm Claudia and tonight I'm going to present you how to make a mushroom quick stew. It's quite an easy recipe. You need the basic ingredients like 2 onions. I'm going to take it this further a little bit. This is my first video, so be patient with me. We only need 2 onions, 1 pepper, some mushrooms. This one is 280 grams jar of mushrooms, some tomato sauce, something green, either parsley or this, salt, oil, some grated pepper, and also if you want to spice things up, you can use a chili, as I will in this video. Most of my veggies are already washed, so now we're gonna do some slicing. And before we do the slicing, sorry for the ton of dishes I have going on here. I'm gonna put the pot on the stove so it will get heated a little bit. And if there's any water in the pot, you can leave it dry before actually putting the oil in. That way you don't have any sparks of water mixed in with the oil. I'm gonna chop the onions like this. You can chop it like that too if you like it better like that, but I honestly prefer it small bites like this. This is a great recipe for when you're not in the mood to eat any kind of meat, or you're just tired of meat. And it's also a quick recipe. It doesn't take up a lot of time. Maximum like 15 minutes should be done. Once you cut the onions, get cut all the way like that. Make sure that there's no other in the pot. So again, when you add it to the oil, it won't jump up. Take the pepper, slice it up really nicely as well. Both of them. Also, you can keep the seeds if you would prefer to. I honestly don't like the seeds from the chili, as it makes it a little bit too spicy for me. But according to your preference, you can do that as well. Slice it up as well. We add all our ingredients to this bowl here. Here they are, the onions, the pepper, and the chili. In the meantime, I'm gonna add some oil to the pot. It's already on the stove. Don't want to put too much, just enough in order to cover the bottom of the pot. We leave it to get heated for a little bit. These are like pre-boiled mushrooms, but if you want, you can use the normal ones as well, but that will take a little bit more time in order to get cooked. These get done right away. I always wash them after draining them. And here we go. We can put them in here. And that's the composition for our stew. I need a spoon. Here in Romania we use wooden spoons. If you have other preference, you can use any kind of spoon you would like. We add the next bowl. Release the temperature to a medium temperature like that. This is how it looks. In the meantime, I always like to clean a little bit. So kind of force wash the veggies. I told you you can use parsley or dill. I personally like to use dill. Mix it up a little bit more in here. Make sure our veggies don't get fried too much. And you can, like in Romania, you can eat this with bread or you can eat this with corn bread. In Romania, there's like this tradition, you can eat it with corn bread, but tonight I'm not going to make any. I'm just going to make this. We add some salt. Hold on a bit. So now we're going to add tomato sauce. I've left the veggies on for like 7 minutes. 7 minutes and a little bit. I've been mixing them together. So. And what I do is I put like half a jar. Like this jar is 400 milligrams. That means I put like 200 in there. Like that. And I like to also add a little bit of water. So like 100 grams. 100 milliliters of water. So the veggies will also boil a little bit. Once I do that, I also add the pepper. Just a little bit, not a lot, as we already have that chili in. Now we're just gonna wait for the water to evaporate, and then we can put in the dill, and that will be our stew. our mushrooms through. Quick one. Since this is my first video, I will be continuing these videos every night. I'm gonna pass on the recipes that I got from my grandmother and grandfather. Some Romanian wisdom, so to speak. And I will gladly share them with you guys. And now it has dropped, like the water has dropped from the sauce, so it's ready. So now it's ready. Once it looks like this, let me take the camera, the mobile camera, and show you guys. So once it has dropped to this level, I'm not sure how good the light is, but that's, I'm going to show you on the plating. So once the water has dropped, you can put the dill in, mix it in really well. You can also save a little bit of dill in order to decorate the plate. I'm going to mix it in like that. And our mushroom stew is ready. Now I'm going to take 2 plates and assemble it. And at the end I'll show you the end result. See, and it was done super quickly. Super healthy too. Especially for the days when you are sick of meat. And here I have already placed it on a really nice setting of plates like that. 2 portions. Just one quick meal. Hope you enjoy. Bon appetit! In the next evenings I'll be presenting you with other recipes that I'll be creating in my own kitchen. Hope you have a lovely evening. And yum yum. Let's eat.